This topic, we're going to be learning about absolute value. The two lines that you see on either side of the numbers just mean how far away from zero that number is. So inside, you have to find what 5 minus 7 is first. So that's a -2. And the question is just asking how far away from zero is -2. So if you were to look on the number line, you would see that -2 is 2 units away from zero. So you would type in a 2 right here. And then the next one, the next problem just says what the absolute value of 5, which we know is 5 units away from zero. And then you subtract 7 from that. So your answer here would be a -2. Okay, let's do another example. So in the first example, we're looking at -8, the absolute value of -8. So we have to figure out how far away from zero is -8. So it's 8 units away. Then when you add 9, you get 17. For the second part, you have to actually figure out what's between those two lines first. And -8 plus 9 is 1. So first we find we found 1 for the inside. So the absolute value of 1 is just saying how far away from zero is 1. So that answer would be 1. So we come in here, we type 17. Okay, in this example, we have the absolute value of -7 plus 4. So because that's inside the absolute value, we'll figure out what -7 plus 4 is, which is -3. So that's what we're trying to find, is the absolute value of -3. So that is equal to 3. And then the absolute value of -7, we're going to say how far away from 0 is -7, which is 7. Then we add 4 to that to get 11. So then we just type in our answers. So the one thing that I've noticed about these is you want to simplify what's inside the absolute value first before you take the absolute value. And then if it's already simplified, like in B, you take the absolute value first, and then you're going to add what's on the outside. So that's the end of the lesson. Good luck. I hope you do really well on it.